Good morning, children. This is your civics lesson, lesson number 2. In previous video, we have discussed about what is democracy, meaning, definition, and features of democracy. In this video, we will discuss about democratic government and non-democratic government. Democratic government formed by the representatives. Non-democratic government ruled by force by a person or a group. Representatives are elected in a free and fair election. Representatives are not elected by the people. Major decision by the elected leaders. Major decision non-elected leaders. Citizens have the rights to oppose policy and action made by the government. No criticism of government or ruler tolerated. Citizens have voting rights, one person, one vote, and one rule. No voting right is given to the citizen. In democratic countries, the people enjoy the freedom of speech. They are free to criticize the government. In democratic countries, the opposition parties are allowed to function freely before and after the election. In democratic countries, there is no danger to people's life by established government. But in non-democratic countries, the people are not allowed to criticize the government. Doing so means harassment and trouble one after other. In non-democratic countries, no opposition is tolerated, so the question of political parties, especially of the opposition party, does not arise. Only those political parties can survive which toe to the line of the government. So this is the difference between democratic government and non-democratic government. In non-democratic countries, nobody can even aspire for any big post if he is ready to be a tool in the hand of the rulers, dictators, or military leaders. Now we will discuss here major decision by elected leader. A democratic government is one in which the people's representatives participate in decision making process. They own a collect responsibility for all the decision taken by the government. There are examples where responsibilities or representatives of people are chosen, but they are not allowed to participate in decision making process. This happens in many dictatorship and monarchy from the government. Now, free and fair electoral competition. Since its independence 1930, Mexico holds election after every 6 years to elect its president. The country has never been under a military or dictator's rule.